Okay, my friends, how are you today? Happy Sunday Fun Day. Aaron Michael Eschenberg here, and Pants the Cat, delivering you your daily horoscope for April 7th, 2019. It is Sextile Sunday. All right, Sextile Sunday is what I'm dubbing this day. There's a lot of sextiles happening. Sextiles are very good. They're harmonious aspects that allow two different elements to come together to gain, greater perspective. So we've been dealing a lot with letting things go, creating a new beginning for ourselves. This new moon in Aries on Friday, then the moon moved into Taurus, and it's, sat right there with Uranus, which is like a breakthrough kind of Saturday. And now here on Sunday, it's in the middle degrees of Taurus, and it's creating a sextile to Venus, to Neptune, and then to Mercury. At the same time, Mars is creating a sextile over to Chiron, and let me back up for a second. There's like a double sextile happening. I'm going to just show you. Here we go. All right. So up at the top here, this is Capricorn. So this sign here in this color, Earth sign, okay? So this is Earth, Virgo, Earth, Taurus, Earth, and it's, dictated by that kind of green there. And the water signs are blue, and then red here for these fire signs. Then I don't know, what is that? Gray, green for the air. Whatever. So I'm colorblind. True story. Anyway, back to the point, okay? So we have 20 degrees, 23 degrees. This is a loose sextile over here. So this is all this make it change, make it real, govern ourselves in a higher way, conduct ourselves in a more business-like manner, add this discipline to our daily lives. And this is also this creating it and making it real. And this stuff that's happening over here, so again, this is the sextile. See that line right there? These two lines, and they're connecting to all of these planets here. Okay, this is Venus, this is Neptune, and this is Mercury. That's moving a little bit further away every single day, thank God. This is moving a little further away every day. Now further, so not only do we have Saturn and Pluto creating this sextile to Venus, Neptune, and Mercury, but we also have these three creating a sextile down here to the moon, which is going to happen all day long, right? So this is like a double whammy. So not only are we allowing this change to come in our lives, allowing ourselves to expand intellectually, expanding our emotions, our forgiveness, our compassion, expanding our dreams and our thoughts, our unconscious and conscious minds, but we're allowing ourselves, here this sextile to the moon, we're allowing ourselves permission to change, right? We're allowing ourselves an easier, more stable way to emotionally deal with this change. And then we have Mars here creating this sextile, boop, 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 to Chiron, the wounded healer, healing ourself in Aries. Okay, this is the wounds of self saying, I can't change. This is the thing saying, I can't give up. I can't give up is a positive thing, meaning I can't give up my habit. I can't give up whatever, if it's smoking or if it's a thought pattern. When I talk about addictions, I'm not just talking about physical things like, nicotine or a drug. This is very much mental habits as well. Again, Mercury being in Pisces very much has to do with mentality. And with it being there for so long, it's really urging us to do this great change. And which is why, over the next couple of days, it's a Saturn and it started yesterday. Let me show you this real quick again here. So yesterday it was 19 degrees, and today it moved to 20. This moved to 20. Saturn moves really slow, Mercury moves really fast, but nonetheless, this is like 2 days. So, Mercury was connected here with Neptune for, God, almost a week, which was, again, expanding the dreams, expanding our conscious mind, expanding our unconscious mind. Expanding our thoughts and our belief system, and then now it's creating this sextile, 20 degrees, saying let's make that real. Let's make that real. Like don't give up on this. Like let's keep going at it. It's almost like an annoying nag that's constantly tapping you, like hey, don't forget. I've got a friend in the Philippines through Facebook that just sends me all the time, don't forget to smile. don't forget to smile. And it's not an annoying thing, but it's just this wonderful thing that's just like, hey, don't forget to smile. And I love it. Thank you. Anarato. Appreciate you always. You know, so it's like, here's a fun analogy too. It's like sometimes they say when spirit or an intuitive calling is coming your way, okay, when this, like, it's, it's first you're tickled, it's gonna tickle you with a feather, like here's your kind of calling to, like, wake up or create this change in your life, because something is going on that's needed. This is needed change. This abruption is needed. So it's like the first, the spirit will tickle you with a feather, and if you ignore it, then it's going to tap you on the shoulder, and if you still ignore that, it'll hit you in the face with a brick. So the goal is, that brick comes in many different forms, in many different ways. Sometimes it comes in a car crash. Sometimes it comes with disease. Sometimes it comes with the loss of a friend. Sometimes it comes with the loss of a job. That brick hits hard. So when it's just like, hey, you need to change something. You need to change something. You need to change something. It's just like there's an internal calling of, like, I need to change something. I need to change something. Well, today, okay, that calling can be sometimes overwhelming, where you're like, I don't care. Blah. Where today it's just like, no, we have the emotional strength and stability to handle this, to, like, be determined. These earth signs want to be determined and want to bring things into perfection. And then Mars in Gemini, creating the sextile over to Chiron in Aries, this is like saying, hey, self, I can heal. I can overcome this. I can get past this part or this aspect of my life. I can achieve. And there's a lot of information out there, Mars in Gemini, a lot of information out there coming to me, my warrior, my planet of action, that's going to allow me to make the necessary steps. There's a lot of information out there, to make the right moves to propel ourselves in the direction of where we truly want to go. Because otherwise, like that, we get hit with that brick, and then things become more intense. Hey, your brakes are squeaking. That means take them in. Listen to your body. Right? Your body knows. Your brakes are squeaking. There's something going on here. Listen to my gut. Listen to my brain. Listen to my heart. So that's today. That's today in a nutshell. It's Sextile Sunday. There's so much good stuff going on. And it's like, hey, we have the strength to manage this. We have the strength to make it through. We have the strength to continue on and to make the necessary changes without it being overwhelming, to us. So thank you, as always, for tuning in, for hanging out with me. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy Sunday fun day.